Hi everybody, it's Julie the Wimpy Chick, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to do a magic circle. And the easiest way to do a magic circle is to not do a magic circle at all. What we're going to do is we are going to start with a chain. Now I am just going to pretend that I need to work double crochets into a magic ring or a magic circle. I'm going to pretend that that is what my pattern is calling for. So instead of making the magic circle, I am going to chain up 4. And this is what I would do for a double crochet, like if my first stitches are double crochet. So I'm going to chain up 4. And let's just pretend that my pattern is calling for 10 double crochets into a magic circle. So the chain starts as, that counts as 1. I'm just going to do a double crochet right into the first chain. Oops. So now that makes 2 double crochets. Now I'm going to work another one right into that first chain. Just bear with me, folks. That's 3. So now we'll do another one into that first chain. Always work it into that first chain. Here's 4. Here's 5. Now you can see my first chain is getting a little stretched out. That's okay. Here's 6. Oops, I really stretched it on that stitch. Here comes 7. And 8. 9. You can see how stretched out that's getting. That's okay. And 10. Okay. We're just going to pull our tail, and that is going to cinch it right up, just like the magic ring. See how simple that is? And then usually you have to join with a slip stitch to the first stitch in the round. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that and show you how well that works. Look at that. Perfect. Just like the magic ring, only so much easier. So I hope you found this tip helpful. I personally found it kind of life-changing. Use a magic circle in so many projects like amigurumi or making hats, even granny squares. A lot of people don't want, you know, a big circle in the middle of their granny square. So anything you work in the round, you can use this technique for. Now, if you were going to be using, say, single crochets for your first stitch, instead of working up 4, you would just work up 2 or 3. Just kind of play with it and see what works best for you. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.